show you how to take all this off in the process. For my specific bike, it's an Enda 300. I am going to need this Allen wrench, and what I'm going to be doing is removing this with the Allen wrench. It's got a washer on it, and then easily, so as not to damage the clips, I'm going to lift this out like that. So you don't want to break any of these. Brad things are held in with these. Next, I'm going to take out these screws. And slide this out. So my bike only has about 200 miles on it, so this is relatively new, but I'm going to go ahead and replace it with the K&N. This is the box it comes in. There's a tapered end right here that goes in like this, and a wider end. And what this goes in the top, and what I'm going to be doing is putting grease around that, which is included. Yep, doing it right. Okay, so then I'm going to be taking this grease, running it all down the sides of the filter in this lip. Okay, I'm just gonna run a little bit more down that one side. Okay, then I'm going to push this in, just like that. Alright guys, well you just saw how simple it was for me in a total of 10 minutes to change out my old air filter into a K&N. Have a good one.